Came down here and watched them blowing the towers away, and I watched it, and I've never seen as many men cry in my life.
In June 1992, here at the Ravenscraig Steelworks main gate, thousands of balloons were released. That was the day of the official closing. People who gathered there were very angry and worried. They started asking questions. What is happening to our community? Will all the contamination be cleaned up? Do we have a future here?
Lead, zinc, nickel, arsenic, mercury, iron, manganese, chromium, copper, ammonia, cyanide, phenols, chloride. I mean, all these things are on it.
We used to hear people dying of cancer, but they were old. And it was like, it was cancer. And you never heard any. Nowadays it's, oh, Jimmy's got cancer, so is Peter, and you know what I mean? It's...
The next probability then is, if you can't prove it's the Ravenscraig site that's causing it, somebody somewhere got to prove what's causing it.
Yeah. See these...
Because I don't accept them 3 members of my family have cancer within 2 years.
The future will tell. There'll be gases that'll be coming up for the ground.
The red dust died along with its monstrous parent, but the winds keep blowing over the ghost towns, making their children question the future with every breath.